birthday.
Yeah. She said in my head.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is she gonna go again? There's no way. There's no way.
But his thumbs up.
Oh my god. What kind of arrow looper goes twice? And everyone was like, yeah. Look at the line already.
It's the ministry of the park. They all want to ride.
Super cozy. I got my knees holding up my restraint. I've never been able to do that on an arrow.
Thank you, Calaway.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, that's the best model I've done of that.
Of this, yeah.
Yeah. Easily.
Yeah,
Very nice.
Are you guys ready for round 3?
Because you're first turn of the day. You get the third round.